Good morning, everyone. It is coffee time for me. So currently right now it is 10:02 a.m. so I'm getting my day started. I just walked the dogs, I fed them, and now I poured my first cup of coffee for the day. Today we have a bunch of really exciting stuff planned as far as my web development work goes. So today I'll be working on a WordPress project and sorting out some networking issues that are happening where the database cannot reach the WordPress site. So hopefully I'll be able to get done with that maybe a little bit after lunch. I don't know yet. I've been stuck on this for a few days, so this should be what I focus on for most of the day. I'll be checking in with you in just a minute, but with that I gotta go ahead and get right to work. Quick update, so I've now gone through some tutorials online and I've figured out how to get started with fixing my issue with my networking, but now we wait. Apparently for me to proceed I have to wait around 30 to 40 minutes for this little deployment to succeed, so time for more coffee and catching up on some emails as I wait for this deployment to finish, and then maybe hopefully by 11 o'clock I should know whether or not this deployment is successful, and then I'll be able to try to finally hook up everything in my application to make it work correctly. So the time right now is currently 10:45. So let's see what happens. Hey there, so I'm about 2 hours into work now, and unfortunately still no dice on getting my database to connect to my website. So I'm doing a little bit of learning, reading a lot of stuff on Google Stack Overflow and watching some YouTube videos. Still no end in sight. It's been a solid 3-day fight for this fix, and yeah, I'm kind of bummed here, but having another cup of coffee to hopefully energize me and lift my spirits a little bit as I try to get this all fixed. Alrighty, it is currently it is 2:08 p.m. and still no luck on my database issue. Been at this for 4 hours today in the past 3 days before, as I keep saying, so no idea what to do. I'm starting to do a really quick sanity check. I'm gonna walk the dogs and come back, and basically I'm going to start entirely from scratch and make sure that every little piece that I have is actually connected and doing what it should. So for now, I'm gonna go to lunch, walk the dogs, come back, and hopefully we'll have it all resolved by as soon as I get back from lunch. Catch you later. Alrighty, I'm back from lunch. It is now 3:24 p.m. I'm about to do my final push for the day. Going to essentially start from scratch with the default WordPress installation on Azure with the database connected to it. Make sure that works, and then try to piece together everything and get my deployment that I've been working on to follow the same configurations and settings. I've reached a point now where I've turned over every stone, hit every configuration, so I need to just do some backtracking to figure it out. Here's my dog Freddy saying hello. We should be done with this really soon. My girlfriend gets home from work in an hour or so, so we should have I'm gonna have a quick focus work session. Then I'll hang out with her for a bit, and then we'll probably be back for more in the evening. So let's see what happens. Right now it is currently 7:43. My day is done. The WordPress site is so close. Just about, I would say maybe an hour or two, then I'll have all the posting content moved over properly. been working really hard on these database migrations. They haven't worked out as I had hoped, but I figured out another way to export and import content, so I'm just going to go with that for now, and then once I get that working, learn how to further automate it in the future. If I learn how to do it, I'll post more about it later.